So guys, even though I'm using Windows 10, this also works for Windows 11. The exact same steps apply for both. So for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you're going to click on system. And then you want to make sure that you're on the display tab. Now we're going to scroll down and then click on advanced display settings. You want to take a note of what your wide display is called. So mine's called the Microsoft Basic Display Adapter. Now you want to head over to search and then type in device manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. And then you want to find the exact same display adapter. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver. And then click on browse my computer for drivers. Now once you're on this, you want to click on it and pick from a list. And now you want to choose the display adapter that is more specific to your monitor or to your display. But in my case, I've only got this one. But for you, there might be 2 or 3. You want to choose the one that you think is the most relevant. But if you're like me and you've only got one, in my case, you just have to go with the one that is over here. So you're going to click on it and then click on next. Now it's going to install the drivers. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and then type in settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on ease of access and you want to make sure that you're on the display tab. Now we're going to scroll down and then under related settings, you want to click on additional display settings. Now once you're on this, you want to scroll down, you want to make sure your scale and layout display resolution is on the 100% recommended option. And you also want to set your correct display resolution. Once you click on these options, it might say something like recommended, you want to choose that one. Now you want to scroll down again and then click on advanced display settings. And now you want to click on display adapter properties for your display. And then you want to click on monitor. And then you want to make sure your screen refresh rate is on the correct one. And then click on OK. Now when you play your game, you want to make sure the FPS in your game has been kept to your refresh rate that you set earlier, or you could just increase it by a little bit if you want to. Now you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.